Hello, my cute little babies. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Richa ma'am. Today we are meeting for an activity. What is the name of the activity? Today we are going to do bits of paper activity. Yes, children, you got it right. So what is the material required for this activity? Just a piece of paper, any paper. I have A4 size sheet at home. This was the paper available at home, so I'm using this. And your tape dispenser. If you do not have dispenser, you can just use your tape. If you do not have tape at home, you can use a Fevicol. Alright, babies? And the third thing is 2 bowls. We need 2 bowls for this activity. So 1, a sheet, 2, tape or Fevicol, or number 3, 2 bowls. So children, let's begin the activity. I am going to use this small piece of paper. I am going to cut this sheet into small pieces. Here I am using scissors, but children, I request you not to use scissors. Your parents can be a help. If parents are not at home, so what you can do is you can just tear with your hand. Alright, babies, it is very simple. If parents are not at home, just tear it with your hand. Very simple. These are the bits of paper that we are going to use for the activity. It's a very simple and easy activity, babies. For this activity, you are not going out to buy anything from the market because you have this paper available at home. If you do not have A4 sheet, you can use a newspaper. Now, the question is, what are we going to do with this sheet? Any idea? Okay. So, here in one bowl, I have bits of paper. Alright, babies. Now, what are we going to do with this sheet is, we are going to make a straw with the help of this sheet. If you do not have this sheet, I repeat, you can use a newspaper. If you have straw at home, you can use a ready-made straw. But here I don't have straw, so I'm going to make a straw for you. I'm going to roll this paper like a pipe, a thin pipe. It's very easy. See, I'm just simple. It is very simple. I'm just rolling my sheet. And my straw is ready. Now here I'm going to use my tape dispenser. I'm going to put a tape here. Let me just put the tape at the corners. Yes, babies. My straw is ready. So this is my straw, a homemade straw that we have made with the help of a paper. Alright, children, I have used an A4 size sheet. If you do not have A4 size sheet, you can simply use a newspaper or any other paper which is available at home. Now here we begin the activity. Now what am I going to do with this straw is, I am going to breathe in and the paper, I am going to put my straw here on any of the paper and I am going to breathe in. The paper will get stick here and I am going to breathe out in a second bowl. So the main thing for this activity is, we are going to collect these bits of paper from one bowl to the second bowl. Alright, let's begin the activity. I'm going to breathe in, I'm going to hold the paper here and I'm going to release the paper here. Alright, I'll show you the demo. Please look here, children. One. Two. Three. Four. So I hope the activity is clear to you. Alright, babies. So it's a time game. whenever we do this activity, we are going to play a game and it is a time game. I will give you a certain time like 1 minute or 2 minutes and I will see how many bits of paper you can collect in that given time. Alright children, I will show you once again. This is a straw, a homemade straw. I'm going to collect these papers from bowl 1 to bowl 2 and finally we are going to count like how many papers have I collected. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in 30 seconds I could collect 4 papers. I'm sure babies you will do it better than me. I'm going to show you this activity for one more time. This is a homemade straw. In bowl 1 we have bits of paper and we are going to collect these papers by using this straw from bowl 1 to bowl 2. I will show you once again babies. You have to breathe in. Release. Release. Come on, as fast as you can. So here we go. Clap for yourself. Very good babies. So here from bowl 1 to bowl 2 I have collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 bits of paper. So children, I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Hope to see you soon. Bye.